Why are you crooked? Are you better? You are better! Look at you! Killing it! Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and I'm so short. Oh my gosh, you can't see me. Let me like oh, hello. I want to do something kind of fun and something I've been wanting to do for a long time. As y'all know, the popular show Marie Kondo, this really nice Asian woman who shows, I believe she's Japanese, like shows Japanese organization tips. Maybe I'm doing this. I don't know. Basically, she teaches people how to be tidy and clean. It's called Tidying Up. If you haven't seen it on Netflix, you should watch it. But I noticed today how bad my drawers are. Like I can't even open that. This one's broken. Like so I need help. So I'm going to sit here and tidy and figure out what sparks joy and what doesn't. And we're just gonna see what I find. Because honestly, I have no idea what's in these drawers. I mean, I do, but my problem is I only use the same like 6 outfits. Like I put all my clothes up, I wash them, and I just put them back and I wear them again. Like I do not wear that much stuff. Yet this happens where it's literally broken. So we're gonna see what happens. There we go. All right, so my bottom drawer. Henry. Babe. Yo, he's about to pounce in here. Come here. My baby. My bottom drawer. Bye. Bye. Okay, my bottom drawer is my like workout pants, shorts. These are not supposed to be in there. This is supposed to be somewhere else. See, I need to fix this. Oh my gosh. My gosh. No. No, you can't do that. All right, so let's see. Literally never wear these. You're supposed to thank the clothes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I used to wear these. Thank you. All right, this probably won't take that long, so I'm just gonna do like a time lapse of me looking at these. Y'all, my swimsuit's in here. Why? I don't even know where to put this, but it's not supposed to be in there. Sadly, I'm only giving away 2 things. I don't know. I think it'll fit better though. I think I just need to like fold them better. So let's try that. I don't know if I'm folding these right, but I'm just rolling them up and putting them in here. You're okay. Look at it. See? That's about it. One done. Here, don't do it. All right. I think I'm just gonna show you guys when I'm done because I feel like this is gonna take forever. But basically what I'm gonna probably do, like to organize it, this is gonna be my workout clothes. This is gonna be my sleeping stuff. These are t-shirts, which makes sense why it's breaking. This is what are they called? Tank tops, workout tops, and then underwear. I'm definitely not gonna show you guys that. That's gross. All right, bye, I'll be back. Yeah, it's breaking. This is like broken. I mean, I think I can fix it. But yeah, I need to do this really, really badly. Like, yo, that's not good. I might show that drawer for you guys. BRB. You can see me, okay. So, I just broke it. Ah, this is bad. Okay, so let's just go through these. Love this is an Alabama shirt. Love. This is one of many of my boyfriend's shirts. I think I have 10 of his shirts in here. Might be why it's broken. So we're gonna count how many I have of his. 1, 2, 3. It's embarrassing. Oh, this isn't his shirt. But I'm going to donate that. I'm gonna donate that. That's an Italy shirt that I bought off Amazon for one occasion. 4. This is my work shirt that I don't wear. I'll keep it. Oh, guys. This is an alumni shirt from Alabama. I really like this shirt. Okay, we're gonna put that in the closet. That definitely sparks joy to Cat on this wrecking ball. Oh shoot. Alright, we're gonna put you back up. Please don't break. Oh, it's not that bad. So apparently little thing was just out. Okay. That's alrighty. I think it's fixed now. When I moved into this apartment, not this apartment, my last apartment, I bought a bunch of furniture off of Walmart.com and had it delivered to my house, and this was one of them. This was either Walmart or Target, but yeah, and I had to assemble it, and do I want to keep this? Does this spark joy? Yes, it did. I hated that. I'll be back. I'm gonna show you guys the final product. Just finished everything, and y'all, I'm feeling very good. I'm looking at the pile that I'm throwing away right now. I don't want to show you guys because it's from my underwear drawer, but I have like a lot of like old socks and stuff that I don't use, and I'm not gonna donate those because that's kind of gross. So anyway, a lot of random crap I don't wear, don't use. I'm gonna store. This is my granny's gown, and this is a jersey. I'm probably gonna hang that up. And then I'll show you guys my drawers. This one's a little, it's okay. So they're kind of messy, but I just kind of threw them in there. I mean, it's clean enough that I can see. Also, I found 8 more of my boyfriend's shirts. Well, 8 total, not 8 more. I don't have like 15 shirts, but I found 8 shirts of his. This was super easy. These were like all of my workout tops, and I basically use all of them except for like I think I threw out like 5 that I don't use. And then this is my I'm not gonna open that because that's it's a little personal. We're not that close. I'm not gonna show you all my underwear drawer, but Henry's very proud of me, aren't you, Henry? Aren't you, Henry? I'm about to clean out my closet now, and depending on how long this video is, I might show you guys that too. So, if this is the end of the video, then I'll see you in my next video when I clean out my closet. And if it's not the end of the video, then stay tuned for my closet.